Hello, children. My name is Ayushi Agrawal. Today I am going to narrate a story to you all, and the title of the story is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. So, let's start. Every day, a shepherd boy sat on a hill watching the village sheep. His job was to make sure nothing bad happened to the sheep. One afternoon, the boy decided to play a trick on the villagers. Wolf, wolf, he cried. There is a wolf chasing the sheep. The villagers raced up the hill to chase the wolf away. But there was no wolf in sight. Don't cry wolf when there is no wolf, they warned the boy. The boy was surprised. His trick worked so well. I can't believe he played a trick like that. The villagers grumbled as they stormed down the hill. The next day, the boy tried his trick again. Wolf, wolf, he called out. There is a wolf chasing the sheep. The villagers came running and again found no wolf. Don't do this again, they scolded. Only cry wolf when there actually is a wolf. A few hours later, the boy noticed something out of the corner of his eye. A wolf was sneaking up behind the sheep. Wolf, wolf, he cried in a panic. No one came. Wolf, wolf, he cried again. Please help. There's a wolf chasing the sheep. Still, no one came. At sunset, the boy did not return the sheep to the village as he normally did. The villagers went up the hill to check on the sheep. They found the boy, but no sheep. A wolf was here. It chased the sheep away. Why didn't you come to help me? He cried. You tricked us twice when there was no wolf. We thought you were tricking us again, said the villagers. I shouldn't have cried wolf when there was no wolf, said the boy. I'm sorry for my tricks. An old man comforted the boy. If you tell too many lies, no one believes you when you tell the truth, he said.